Hello everyone, welcome to How Stuff in My Car Works channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the ignition switch on 2017 and 2018 Nissan Frontier. There's a common problem with these trucks, and the problem is, when you're driving over rough road conditions, sometimes the ignition switch moves to the accessory position, and when this happens, the engine turns off, and this creates a hazard. So if you're experiencing this problem, we're going to show you how to replace the ignition switch. To get started, disconnect both battery cables starting with the negative and followed by the positive, of course, and wait 5 minutes. After both battery cables have been disconnected and you have waited at least 5 minutes, roll the driver's seat all the way back so you can have enough room to work. The ignition switch is located on the steering column, so you're going to be working from under the dash. This is a closer look, looking from underneath the dashboard. Locate the electrical connector. Depress the plastic tab with your thumb and pull the electrical connector away from the switch to disconnect it. Remove the two retaining screws and remove the ignition switch. Before installing the new switch, make sure that it's facing in the same direction as the old one. If it's not, just turn it with a screwdriver. If it's not facing in the same direction, there's a possibility that you may damage it by trying to force it in. So make sure you do that before you install it. Once the ignition switch is in place, install and tighten the retaining screws and connect the electrical plug back on. Reconnect both battery cables back on, starting with the positive followed by the negative. Start the engine and make sure that everything works correctly. And that's how simple it is to replace a defective ignition switch in Nissan Frontier. Have a great day.